how to transfer a ChatGPT conversation to another account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply log into your account where you have the chats. After that, just simply click on your account. And here you get this option of settings. Simply select it. Now in your settings, select the option of data controls. In data controls, you would be able to find this option of export data. Simply select it. Now click on confirm and you would receive an email with all the chats data that you have. Download the data that has been sent to your email address, and after that click on this plus icon and open a new chat, by the way, and then select this option of add photos and files, and this way you would be able to locate the downloaded file and you would be able to access your conversation on another account. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.